Hello. In this video, we are going to study shapes of white blood cells, and we will learn also how to differentiate between them. So, if you study white blood cells and want to learn how to differentiate between them, you are in the right place. Let's start. The first step to determine the kind of the white blood cell, look at its cytoplasm, and this is to determine whether the cytoplasm of the cell contains granules or it doesn't contain granules. If the cytoplasm contains granules, this cell belongs to granulocytes group, and if the cell doesn't contain granules, it belongs to the agranulocytes group. These granules play an important role in the breakdown of pathogens attacking the body as bacteria. Let's start with the granulocytes and learn how to differentiate between them. The second step is to look at the shape of the cell's nucleus. If the cell's nucleus is divided into many lobes or multilobed, this is the neutrophil. The most common type of white blood cells, which represents nearly 60% from the total white blood cells. If the nucleus is divided into two lobes or bilobed and appears similar to the headphones, this is the eosinophil. If the nucleus is bilobed and takes the shape of a broken letter S, this is the basophil. Let's move to the agranulocytes. Cells with no granules in their cytoplasm. If the nucleus has a kidney shape or bean shape, this is the monocyte, the largest white blood cell in blood. And finally, if the nucleus is large relative to the cell's size and locates exactly at the center of the cell, this is the lymphocyte, the smallest white blood cell. During fighting microbes, monocyte can change into a larger and more advanced cell called macrophage. Macrophages mostly have irregular shapes, or amoeboid shapes. Finally, lymphocytes also have different kinds like B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. These cells can be identified from the receptors found on their surfaces. Like, for example, the receptor of B cells is similar to the antibody in shape. The T helper cell has a receptor called CD4, while the T cytotoxic cell has a receptor called CD8.